Hello and welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll tackle a simple yet powerful problem: swapping the first and last elements of an array. This problem introduces us to array manipulation and shows how we can use ES6 destructuring for efficient coding. Let's get started by understanding the problem and its requirements. Let's outline the problem. We are given an array of integers. Our task is to swap the first and last elements in the array. If the array has only one element, it remains unchanged. For instance, in 1, 2, 3, and 4, the first element 1 swaps with the last element 4, resulting in 4, 2, 3, and 1. Here's the JavaScript solution to our problem. The function swap takes an array as input. Using array destructuring, we swap the first and last elements in a single line without needing a temporary variable. The swapped array is then returned. This approach is concise, efficient, and leverages ES6 features. Here's how the function works. First, we use array destructuring to access and swap the first and last elements. The swapping happens in one step, eliminating the need for a temporary variable. Finally, the modified array is returned as the result. This logical flow ensures efficiency and simplicity in our solution. In the first example, the input array is 1, 2, 3, and 4. The function swaps the first element, 1, with the last element, 4. The modified array, 4, 2, 3, and 1 is then returned. This example demonstrates the core functionality of the function. In the second example, the input array is 0, 2, and 1. The function swaps the first element 0 with the last element 1. The modified array 1, 2, and 0 is returned. This shows how the function works for arrays of different sizes. In the third example, the input array is 3. Since the array contains only one element, no swapping occurs. The function returns the same array, 3. This example highlights how the function handles edge cases with single element arrays. Here's the ES6 version of the function, written as an arrow function. It's more concise, but follows the same logic as the previous implementation. The use of destructuring makes it elegant and efficient, showcasing the power of ES6 syntax. To recap, we wrote a JavaScript program to swap the first and last elements of an array. We used ES6 destructuring to achieve this efficiently and ensured the function handles edge cases like single element arrays gracefully. This solution demonstrates effective array manipulation and practical use of modern JavaScript features. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. And we'll see you in the next one.